Hello everyone, this is Inna Vizinichka Chef and welcome to my kitchen. As I promised in previous video, I'm going to show you what I'm going to make with this fantastic mushroom. Look at this beautiful fungi. It's growing near the tree on a tree, usually oak tree. And it was beautiful to find this. We've been so happy, and I want to show you how to make simple but very delicious barbecue, grilled basically, and I'm going to serve with homemade barbecue sauce. And the recipe for this barbecue sauce made from pineapple, made with pineapple, I will link below. And for the ingredients we need besides barbecue sauce, buttermilk, I'm using homemade kefir. You can use yogurt, whatever you want. A little bit of Worcester sauce, also olive oil, salt and pepper. Very simple, that's all we need. About half cup of kefir you need, or buttermilk really. Barbecue sauce has nice smokiness to the flavor, and about same amount, half cup. And some olive oil, about 1/4 cup. And about 2 tablespoons of Worcester sauce. Some salt, and remember, generous amount you need. And freshly ground black pepper, of course. To this mixture, you can add whatever you feel like. If you like spicy food, add some cayenne pepper, but I will keep simple. My barbecue sauce has so much flavor, no need anything. Take your mushroom and cut in strips. Nice, beautiful pieces, comfortable to eat. Kind of like a chicken. And this mushroom, for reason, has name chicken of the wood, because taste and texture just like chicken. And every piece has nice kiss of sauce. As you know, mushroom is like a sponge, like to takes all flavor and absorb everything. So it has pretty much, you see, very wet, has a lot of this barbecue sauce on, and I like to treat with little bit of buttermilk. Kefir helps moisturize and make just a better flavor. So what I'm going to do, cover now, and let's sit at least half hour. The longer the better, but no need to marinate for too long, because a mushroom is not the same protein as chicken. So just 1-2 hours would be fine too, but whatever time you have on hand. Oh, nice sound. I like to cook with closed grill, just for 2-3 minutes and check and then turn, but up to you, whatever you prefer. Just treat like a chicken.
Очень ям.
Очень ям? And here you go, beautiful barbecue, mushroom barbecue. If you have vegetarian friend, or you are vegetarian, make this delicious dish. It doesn't taste like mushroom at all. Tastes so yummy. Very smoky and the texture almost crisp. It doesn't have any slumminess. So people who don't like mushroom, I convince you, try this kind of mushroom. Chicken of the woods. And see you next time. Bye. Please subscribe, share, and give me like. Yes. Bye. See you next time.